Hi friends, Tessa here, the Artful Colorist. Welcome back to my channel. Once again, I come from my messy dining room. Today I'm going to do a little something different. I'm going to be doing some painting on or coloring on a canvas. I found these really cool canvases and I thought they were neat. The canvases that I got is I'm going to be doing this butterfly. Oops, upside down. And I'm going to do this butterfly. Let me step back a little bit so you guys can see it. I know it's a little bit kind of bright, but I will try to do that. So that's the coloring canvas. It's from Living in Color, the Art Therapy Coloring Canvas. And here is the label, if you guys want to take a look and see. Sorry about the camera setup. Hopefully, once I get all of this set up, I will be able to do this and be able to guys present a little bit more on camera face. And thanks for watching, and let's jump right in. I want to give you a little bit of why there's not a lot more colored. I did not like these with markers at all. I thought they were horrible. The scratchiness, this is a big fat fail for me. I mean, the scratchiness alone, just that, it just feels like I'm gonna ruin my nibs of my markers. And I love these markers. I think they're fantastic. So I am gonna have to pass, and I'm gonna have to say that coloring canvas is a big fat fail for me. It's not my cup of tea. It may be yours. Maybe I'll come back to this in another video and play around with some of the acrylic gouache, and I could probably get a small enough brush to paint this. But it's frustrating to me because it's not enjoyable. I don't like the scratchiness of the page. I don't like how the pen kind of flows over the page. It's not that these images aren't beautiful. They're great. I wish it was just on a hardback with a piece of paper, because I like it's a neat concept of having the canvas, but maybe I'm just not using the right tools. Maybe I'm not using the right medium. I don't know. Maybe I'm limited on my stuff, but I'm going to have to say this is a big fat no for me at the moment with what I have available. In the beginning, I was coloring and I was having this train of thought, and I had this whole thing that this was going to be great, and it's really frustrating to me when I sit down to color and get in that mindset of like, okay, I'm going to relax, I'm going to take my time, I'm going to enjoy this process, and then something in the process is not enjoyable. You know, I guess it's with anything you can love or hate, and there are, for me, I don't love canvases at this moment in time. For me personally, if I'm going to color, I want the easeability of a marker, a pen, or a colored pencil, something that I don't have to worry about if I mix the right color, and you know, if that's kind of the thing. I mean, I don't mind watercolors once in a while. That's fun to me because I can reactivate a watercolor. But like gouache, some gouaches you can reactivate once dried. So I'm sorry that this was a big fat fail, and I'm sorry that if this is not kind of the video you wanted to see today. But there is always next time, and I will see you guys next week. Happy coloring, stay colorful. I'm Tessa, the Artful Colorist, and thanks for watching.